everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing videos, so let's get into this. I'm going to unbox first what we have, the Shark Tank Earth Vehicle of Skylanders Superchargers. Open up, open up, open up. Oh, there we go. Nobody better be talking in those other rooms. And sorry to say this, but I accidentally did it late. Happy St. Patrick's Day. For a few days ago. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is supposed to be Terrafins from the Superchargers games. Hard to unbox. Real hard to unbox. Alright, there we go. Very good. Okay. Next one. The new amiibo. Roy. That was quick. That's good to be quick. Can't record that long. Or can I record longer on this phone? Probably not. Okay. There we go. Roy. Okay. And smash hit. Unboxing these things so quickly. Sorry. Just something. This fell. It's 2 minutes into the video. And we have a 2-pack this time. Finally, I have a Pop Fizz. Accidentally bought one of Lost Islands. But this time. Whoa. Sorry there. Oh, sorry guys. Camera fell. Sorry. Sorry for that. Mistake. Anyway. Hope that doesn't mind to you guys. Sorry for camera moving. This thing is long. You guys can see there. This is hard. The camera keeps doing this. I have to be right back. Oh, wow. Hey, don't hang on 1 second. I heard a voice. Hang on 1 second. A voice. There's this. Someone's coming. Doing a video.
Why are you doing a video?
Just unboxing stuff. Well, there you go. This is pretty much the stuff I was unboxing. This. This, this, and this. There you have it. Yeah, and maybe, oh yeah. And this and this. There you have it. That's pretty much my unboxing video. And go check out my other channel, Christopher Roeder. And yeah. Peace out.